Welcome to equations with pronumerals on both sides. So for this one, we're going to have pronumerals on both sides of the equal sign. And I'm going to approach it a little bit differently to sometimes how the textbook looks at it. So we're just going to solve these three equations, okay? Here's the first one. So we've got 3y plus 7 equals 2y plus 12. So the way we're going to look at it is we just look at the pronumerals first. So look at the letters and we just consider which side has the most of the letter and by how many. So one side has 3 y's and the other one has 2 y's. So there's one more y on the left side. So therefore, just eliminate all the y's and just leave the one y on the left because that's where there was the most. So you get y plus 7 equals 12, because we still write the other numbers there. And then you solve it, minus the 7 from both sides, so y equals 5. Here's our second one. So once again, we've got 4m plus 8 equals 6m minus 12. So we look at which side has the most m's and by how many. So the left-hand side has 4m's, the right-hand side has 6m's, so the right has 2 more m's than the left. So there's 2 more m's on the right. So once again, eliminate all the m's and leave 2m on the right. Leave the 8 and the minus 12 there as well in their positions. So you get 8 equals 2m minus 12. Add the 12 across. 20 equals 2m. Divide by 2. So m equals 10. Final one. A little bit trickier because now you've got to take negatives into consideration. Okay, so 2 plus 3y equals 6 minus y. Which side has the most y's and by how many? So the left-hand side has 3 y's. The right-hand side has minus 1 y's. So between them, there is 4 y's. So the left has 4 more y's. So eliminate all the y's and leave 4 y's on the left. So you get 2 plus 4y equals 6. 4y minus the 2 from both sides, so you get 4y equals 4. Divide by 4 and y equals 1. Thank you.